guys, this is Dr. Asif Iqbal, and today I am going to unveil and unbox my Endo radar. I bought it this today only. Let us unbox this. I am very happy, about this product. Okay, so what we got? This is the product from Woodpecker, and what we got inside, we got this user manual, apart from this certificate, warranty card, etc. And this is the main body. Okay, wow, great, मस्त है यार, एकदम मस्त एलाइट क्वालिटी का बनाया गया है इसको. Okay, put this scissor here, and this is the handpiece, I think, Endo motor handpiece, and this is the contra angle. Okay, these are some boxes here. Okay, this is the charger. Then next box we have okay, this is the lip hook, I think, and I think this would be the tester. Okay, this is the file clips. Okay, fine. And this is the LED connector. Okay, what else we got? We got the USB charger and the measuring wire. Okay, let's install this product. हाथ में छूते साथ ही लाइट फीलिंग आ रही है, बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया. आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड वुडपेकर. ओके, वेयर इज द contra angle? Okay, what this? I think this would be the lubricant chamber. This is the contra angle. Okay, let's install this. Okay. Oh, sexy. So for an ideal endo motor, the most of the weight should come in the front. Your wrist should feel relaxed, and the load should in the anterior part. So you can see here, I'm putting this, and the most of the load is on the anterior. अगर आगे की तरफ वजन रहेगा बॉस, तभी आप देर तक काम कर सकते हैं, तभी आपको काम करने में मज़ा आए. दो तीन चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक एंडो मोटर के लिए. एक तो आपका वेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, कि आपका वेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसे है, कहाँ है, और दूसरा कि आपका जो हेड है वो कितनी साइज का. जैसे इसका हेड, दिस इज़ ए स्मॉल हेड, है ना, एंड द एंगुलेशन इज ऑल्सो एट ओनली वन पॉइंट. We don't have this angle, then that angle. There is just a single angle. I think this angle is also very less, about 120 135 degree angle. Okay, and the most important thing is when we work in the posterior teeth, this head size and the angle is of the paramount importance. Every count, every is very important. We keep crying with patient, please open your mouth, please open your mouth. So in the posterior tooth, is especially in 7 and 8, this is of very important, the head size and the angulation. So overall, I must say, I can say this product is 9 out of 10. Full mark for the weight distribution, angulation, head size, light packing, and this is the main unit. Okay, let's start it. And this is a combo of apex locator as well as the endo motor. You can use it as an apex locator. You can use it solo as an apex locator, solo as an endo motor, and as a combination of these two. So from my point of view, well done Woodpecker, hats off. तुसी छा गए गुरु, मज़ा आ गया. I am very happy. Personally, I am very happy. Okay guys, please take care. Bye bye.